Oh, shit!
Got a tad bit beached there, man. I am about to get the dash of my car signed by Adam LZ and possibly Luke and Tiana. I'll get you to do it underneath the patch of the airbag here, please. Just anywhere there.
Is right here cool?
Yep, that'll be wicked.
Second?
Awesome, man.
Cool.
Thank you.
No worries.
Good meeting you.
Have a good trip, guys.
You too.
Thank you.
Alright guys, this is where I'm going to wrap up the video. I hope you all enjoyed my little series for DCA Super Matsuri this weekend. I had a hell of a lot of fun. It was super awesome seeing Adam and being able to meet him twice, mind you, and get him to sign some stuff. It's things like the banner. I got Adam to sign this banner and I got Luke and Tiana to sign it as well. Getting Adam to sign the dash of my car, that was super cool. I wasn't able to get Luke and Tiana. I asked Luke if he'd be alright with that and he said yes, but by the time I got a car around there for him to sign, they just looked super busy trying to pack up, so I didn't really want to pester them. Anyway, got Adam to sign the car, and pretty much after that we just hooked in to get home. Gonna be back on the grindstone with the Corolla, working on that, trying to get that ready. Gonna be a good amount of content coming with that in the shed. Especially after Christmas, got to get the diff sorted and that, so, and then a lot of the other stuff's all pretty simple and I can do myself, so I'll have plenty of content coming for that, so look forward to it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know if there was anything that I could have done differently with filming Super Matsuri this weekend, different camera angles, things like that. I wasn't able to get any ride-alongs, unfortunately. It was just, to get a ride-along you pretty much got to sit in the pit waiting for the car, and then that's just time that I could be spent filming more content for you guys, so I just sort of really decided not to go for a ride-along. But anyway, hope you all enjoyed and we'll catch you all in the next one.